somebody.
Why, thank you, Miss Gertrude. That's so sweet.
This is excellent tea, Miss Alexandra.
Thank you, Miss Stephanie. What a lovely day outside. Quite
Nice.
is.
How's Jean Louise?
Oh, there she is.
Hello there.
Jean Louise, why don't you sit down and have some tea with us?
Oh, okay.
You're looking mighty fine, Miss Jean Louise.
Thank you.
Where are your trousers today?
Under my dress?
And what do you wish to be when you grow up, Miss Jean Louise? Do you wish to be a lawyer?
No.
You don't wish to be a lawyer?
No.
Well, what do you wish to be?
Just a lady.
Well, you'll have to wear many more dresses if you wish to be a lady. And the cow jumped over the moon. The end. That's a great story, right, children?
No.
Well, it's lunchtime now, so I'd like to make sure you all have your lunches with you. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why, Mr. Cunningham, where's your lunch? Ask you a question, Walter. Where's your lunch? You don't have it? Well, that's fine. I'll just give you this quarter. You can go into town to get your lunch today. You can pay me back tomorrow.
Miss Caroline?
Yes, Jean Louise?
He's a Cunningham.
What do you mean by that, Jean Louise?
It's okay, Miss Caroline. You'll get to know everyone who may come eventually. The Cunninghams don't accept nothing they can't pay back.
Why, Miss Jean Louise, you're sassing me again. Hold out your arm. Alright, so Jem, you go first, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
And then,
yeah.
tonight's perfect.
It is really
And,
good.
you know,
What are you guys talking about? Nothing's out. Just go home. But what are you talking about?
we're going to do anything.
We're gonna go see Boo. What? You can't do that. Angel May, if you don't want to come, just go home. I really don't think that's a good idea then. If you don't want to do it, then go home.
We're gonna go tonight.
Don't say anything to
This is the
Atticus.
perfect night.
Okay, I'll come. Okay.
All right.
Jem, I think we should just go home right now. Do you see anything?
It's up there. Keep going. Keep going.
Be careful, Jem. Go, run.
Wait.
I had a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that mini skirt. Skipping rocks on the river by the railroad tracks. She had a suntan line and red lipstick. I worked so hard for that first kiss, and a heart don't forget.
Oh, there's nothing there. You should have in the kitchen. You guys, it's recording. Oh.
Badoodle!
This is Tia. This is Tia. This is Tia. This is Tia.
You can't say ow right away.
Oh, okay.
Oh, fidget. No, because they're not excited. That's the whole point. You like play with your.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm picking
Oh my god, I'm fidgeting so much. Nice.
I don't even see it. What's happening? Yes.
Hey, camera action.
Wait, I'm buttoning.
They will never
You
know.
button your shirt off. I'm fidgeting. How about you guys?
Fiona!
Why'd you get those leaves?
She's like,
Be
where
careful, it's
are
falling
we
out.
going?
Feet.
Fiona,
Shut the fuck
Fiona,
up.
what are you doing?
Trying to get them out.
Well, then you're dropping the
Don't
book.
put them out.
Why would you want to get them
Why
out?
do you need to get them
What
out?
are you guys doing? So they don't fall on me. Well, you're
Those are cool leaves. I know, like I want those.
From Canada.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why they're
Actually,
in
it's from a Canada book.
Wait, there's more over here.
They're fake. Why is there no snow then? Fidget.
So when?
That's not how I do.
Don't touch other people.
My mom, I know teach me don't
Wait, Gina.
Fidget.
Can't do it. You can see that's the person. Go like this.
Is that what you want, Gina?